Marshall Headphones, a subsidiary of Sound Industries, is known for its iconic audio products, blending performance and design inspired by Marshall guitar amplifiers. For decades, the brand has established itself as a reference in the sound world, and today, it offers a wide range of Bluetooth speakers, from ultra-compact models like the Wheelan to larger speakers like the Tone 3. Today, we're focusing on the Marshall Middleton, a Bluetooth speaker that fits right between being portable and stationary. Designed for fans of powerful and balanced sound, it promises to meet your needs both indoors and outdoors while providing an immersive audio experience. If you're curious to learn more, the link to check out this speaker is available in the description. Now, let's see what it's got under the hood. In terms of design, the Middleton embraces Marshall's timeless visual codes with a compact parallelepiped shape and rounded edges. With dimensions of 109 by 230 by 95 millimeters and a weight of 1.8 kilograms, it stands out as a portable yet substantial speaker. This intermediate format gives it a sturdy look and a presence that inspires confidence. Its high-quality plastic chassis is covered with absorbent silicone and features metal grills on the front and back. This material choice provides remarkable durability while adding a touch of timeless elegance. The IP67 rating allows it to resist dust and water, making it an ideal choice for outdoor adventures, as well as indoor use. However, its black finish easily attracts dust and smudges, a detail that might not sit well with the more particular users. To compensate for this, a white version is available, offering a brighter and easier to maintain alternative. Finally, the flush control buttons and the rubber non-slip base round out this design, making it both practical and stylish. Now, let's move on to the technical specifications. The Middleton is equipped with Bluetooth 5.1 with multi-point connectivity, allowing you to switch effortlessly between two connected devices at the same time. It also has a 3.5mm jack input for universal compatibility, ensuring perfect versatility for various audio devices. Under the hood, the speaker features a dual-driver sound architecture powered by two 20W amplifiers for the mid-bass and two 10W amplifiers for the highs, which gives a total power of 60 W. This setup is enhanced by two passive radiators that provide 360-degree sound dispersion. This ensures an immersive and consistent sound experience, no matter where you place the speaker in a room. When it comes to battery life, Marshall claims up to 20 hours of operation. In practice, it lasts about 13 hours at 50% volume, which is already more than enough for a full day of use. On top of that, its USB-C port doubles as a power bank, letting you charge your mobile devices, which is super handy when you're on the go. The ergonomics of the Middleton is one of its major strengths. The multifunction joystick, typical of Marshall, provides an intuitive user experience. It lets you control playback, volume, and navigate between tracks with ease. Two small, discrete buttons also let you adjust the bass and treble across 10 levels, giving you sound customization that fits your preferences. However, the Marshall Headphones app is pretty basic. It's limited to firmware updates and activating the stack mode, which allows you to connect multiple Middleton speakers together for an enhanced sound experience. While this feature is interesting, it's more of a nice-to-have for most users. In terms of autonomy, the speaker is efficient but variable depending on the volume. With full-on use, the battery life drops to about 8 hours. Fortunately, the power bank mode makes up for it by providing a quick charging solution for your mobile devices, although it's limited to 5 watts. Now let's compare the Middleton to competing models like the Sony XG300 and the Bose SoundLink Resolve Plus 2. The Sony XG300, similar in size and power, stands out with deeper bass and better stereo effect, but sometimes lacks clarity in highs, where the Middleton excels with better high-frequency control. The Bose SoundLink is known for balanced sound and portability, but is less powerful than the Middleton, which fills a medium-sized room with effective 360-degree sound. But it's less powerful than the Middleton. The latter can easily fill a medium-sized room while providing effective 360 degrees diffusion. However, at volumes above 80%, the Middleton's bass accuracy begins to diminish, which might disappoint fans of punchy bass. In conclusion, each model has its strengths, but the Middleton stands out as a balanced choice between durability, power, and sound quality. In summary, the Marshall Middleton is a solid Bluetooth speaker that combines sound performance, sleek design, and durability. It excels in its hybrid positioning between portability and power, providing an ideal solution for music lovers looking for a product that's both mobile and high-performing. While it doesn't bring any major revolution, it stands out for its build quality and balanced sound, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. However, its high price might put off some buyers. To check out all the details and order this speaker, find the link in the description. Every purchase made through this link supports the channel, and I really appreciate that. Don't forget to comment to share your thoughts, like the video if you found it helpful, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.